6 hours later.
The box is a little bit damaged, which sucks. I hope that the hood is all good in there. Oh god. I think it's good. I really hope it is. But it's damaged there. There's another little spot on the back, but I think it's good. It's nicely packaged. This is the Seibon hood that I ordered, and this hood goes for around $1,600. I bought it for 450 bucks. Yeah, 450. And the only issue with this, it's a brand new hood, but during production it had a little bit of like blemishes and stuff. So like right here, I don't know if you could see on camera, there's like slight scratches. Doesn't matter because half of this hood is going to be painted. I'm gonna give you a hint of the type of library I'm doing. That's clean. A little like scuff here. Actually no, that's coming off. That's like glue. And like this hairline thing that I found. Yeah, this thing, that's like, probably I can take it off. I think that's glue as well. And a little bit of scuffs here and there, and that's it. For $450 to get a full carbon fiber hood with these giant vents, I am so stoked. God. Doesn't come with the holes though that I might have to drill to put the emblem in, but damn, everything's carbon fiber. This hood looks incredible. I'm so stoked. I can't wait to throw it on right now. I'm not even going to finish the whole kit. I'm just going to throw this on and see how it looks. I'm so stoked. Oh my god. First thing I'm going to do is take off these things. That way if the hood does close by accident, it won't lock me out. So I'll remove that completely. And then we'll start with the latches on that side, which is good because these latches are actually attached to these. I thought that this would have to attach to the hood itself, but it doesn't. So I'm very happy about that.
Desse крыло чуть-чуть притискати. Вище, це може ті самі дири крила підійдуть.
That's so good. I'm super excited. Damn. It's only took me, what? I think this is the longest build I ever had. Usually all my builds I finish within a month or two. This one's been a few months now. I think it's been around 3 months, which is the longest because usually when I had the M4 or the FRS or the Infinities and all those cars, I basically did everything within like 2 weeks. So I'm kind of happy because I'm taking my time with this. I'm a little bit more patient with this because obviously there's a lot more work for me to do, but I'm loving it. Before, the fenders would sit over the hood with the stock hood, and with this one it's completely flush, like it just goes seamless. Tiny gap here though, but it's the same on this side, and it like closes in, I guess like how the fender is made. But once it's painted and there's like some rubber sealing there, I think it's gonna be like nice and smooth. But it's fitment's awesome. Love the hood. It looks insane. For 450 bucks, it's freaking wild. And yeah, the kit's extremely wide. Like takes off a bottle. Yeah, I would say that's a good like 2 inches, maybe 2.5. But it's really wide. You do have to cut a lot of that, which is, you don't really hit the frame, but you do cut the like skin, which doesn't really matter because I sealed it up, as you can see. And I'm gonna be painted and stuff and add more sealant, like probably JB Weld coating or something, or some kind of cement. I'm gonna be painting like half of this hood, like right here where the line is, all the way down is gonna be, this side's gonna be white, and this side's gonna be white. Or even if I do red, it's just gonna be red here, and just like the middle here is gonna be a carbon fiber, and that piece is gonna be red or white. But overall, yeah, that's the idea, and it looks freaking badass. I just have to order emblems, which I did, carbon fiber ones as well. But these things don't fit, so I think I'm gonna just remove my windshield washer tank and everything, and just not have windshield washers. Okay, so here's a little better view of the car. It's still a few days later. This video is just gonna be a little bit put together, but the hood's on, the front bumper and fenders are on. It looks so damn good with the halos on. I have to rewire them because the fog lights are getting really hot and they're kind of smoking. I think it's because of too much power being drawn. So I'm gonna rewire it later, but I freaking love this hood so much. It makes the car complete, like it makes the car look incredible. I'm so in love. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but with this new hood, fitment is so spot on, it's wild. With the stock hood, the fenders would sit a little bit higher, like maybe a couple millimeters. This is like all around, like the fitment's awesome. Like look at that. So happy, so happy. But the kit's not fully on, as you can see. I still have that thing missing because I'm waiting for it to completely dry so I can sand it down and Bondo over it to fix that. Yeah, nothing else to show in the rear. I do though, crap. Okay, in the trunk I have a radio that I'm about to install. Radio comes with an OBD2 reader, so basically I'll be able to run live data and see how the car's performing and temperature, which is why I basically got it, because I want to know if the thermostat is actually working properly. All the other information that I need to know, like oil temperatures, engine temps, coolant temperatures, basically everything, RPM, stuff like that. And also if I have any check engine codes, it's going to show me which ones. And I'm pretty sure I can just plug it into my friend's cars if I'm close to them, and I can read theirs as well. I think it goes for any car, so that's a big plus. That's why I got it. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna take a few pictures for Instagram and stuff, so definitely follow me on there. But I'm so happy with how it looks. It looks incredible. Wow. This hood looks so freaking good. Oh god, I can't wait till the whole kit's complete. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a quick one, it's just the hood install. I haven't done anything else like the side skirts, but I will. I promise you, it's coming in a few days. It's just I've been very busy with work and having a newborn at home. But be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, because more stuff is definitely coming. So don't miss out. Bye.